Welcome to Carz Trends, where performance meets precision. Just look at it. Low, wide, and every inch a predator on the track. The Audi R8 LMS GT3 isn't just a race car. It's Audi's weapon, forged for motorsport warfare. But is it truly a championship-caliber machine, or just a road-going R8 in racing overalls? Let's take you inside the cockpit of one of the most formidable GT3 machines of this generation. And under its aggressively vented hood, the Audi R8 LMS GT3 carries a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 that echoes with raw fury, producing around 585 horsepower. But this isn't about peak numbers. It's about control, about consistency, about delivering blistering performance lap after lap without compromise. Audi's motorsport engineers didn't just modify the R8, they reimagined it for a different world. A lower center of gravity, a widened track, weight-saving carbon fiber panels, and an FIA-approved roll cage. This is track DNA down to the bolts. NNTHER8 LMS GT3's chassis balance is surgical. Drivers report a near telepathic connection between steering input and response. On fast sweepers, it feels glued. On hairpins, it rotates like a precision tool. Braking is just as fierce, thanks to massive steel discs and racing calipers that scrub speed with relentless confidence. And with driver-adjustable ABS and traction control settings, it gives seasoned racers room to push and rookies the safety net they need to learn. And inside the cockpit, the luxury of the road-going R8 is stripped away, replaced with function-first design. A custom-made racing bucket, a multi-function steering wheel pulled from Audi Sport's prototype program, and digital telemetry screens. Every inch is dedicated to feedback and control. The view out front, all business. The mirrors, adjusted for high-speed awareness, not vanity. Compared to rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GT3, the Ferrari 296 GT3, and the Porsche 911 GT3R, the Audi stands out with one powerful trait: reliability. Teams worldwide, from privateers to factory squads, swear by the R8 LMS's endurance. In grueling 24-hour races like Spa or Nürburgring, this Audi often finishes not just in the top 10, but on the podium. NNTHE aerodynamic package has been honed through hundreds of hours in the wind tunnel. Dive planes, adjustable front splitters, underbody diffusers, and that massive rear wing all work together to glue the car to the tarmac. And when the pace kicks up on straights, this thing cuts through the air with laser-like precision. Now here's where it gets technical. The car runs on a rear-wheel drive layout, unlike its road-legal Quattro siblings. This purist setup brings a different character, one that demands more finesse, more skill, and rewards bravery. Power delivery is instantaneous. Throttle response is razor-sharp, and the sequential racing gearbox shifts with brutal efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned racer looking for a championship-grade machine or a collector seeking motorsport pedigree, the R8 LMS GT3 is a top-tier contender. It's not just a modified supercar, it's a purpose-built endurance racer with years of wins to prove it. And that's the raw truth from Carz Trends. If you're chasing insights on the fastest, most extreme machines on four wheels, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Drop a comment. Would you choose this over the Porsche 911 GT3R or the AMG GT3? Let us know. And we've got more coming up, from Ferrari's wildest 2026 prototypes to electric hypercars shaking up Le Mans. This is where speed meets storytelling. You don't want to miss what's next.